We're checking out more flood affected areas of the Riverland, South Australia. This is overlooking Lirrup Flats National Park. This was one of my go-to campsites, literally 10-minute drive from my house. I had 32 campsites to choose from, and now the whole lot is underwater. We'll get the drone up now, have a quick look. I won't go over the national park because we can't do that, but we'll have a quick look, then we'll keep going. I'm going to check out Loxton and its surrounding areas. This is Bookpurnong Road. The road leads from Berry to Loxton. Now you can see Berry on the horizon there. Now this road is closed at the moment. You can see it's completely flooded at the moment. The whole road is washed away. We'll get the drone up and have a quick look.
Would you believe we've kayaked underneath this bridge before, and now the water is over the top.
We've come a couple k's down the road to Lock 4. Now, there's nothing left of this at all. This section here where the boats pass through, that is the only section left to see. All this is underwater. We'll get the drone up and have a quick look. We're at the Loxton riverfront now. Directly behind the camera is the town centre. We'll go down now and have a look, but typically there's a nice, huge, big grass area here. Won't get the drone up here, we're in town, there's people around, it's not safe. You can see the buoys in the water there. That's normally a little wharf where people can moor their boats. That's usually a long way out of the water. That's completely gone now, you can't see that at all. There's a barbie area just there, completely underwater. We'll go have a look at the historical village now, see how that's been affected. I wasn't aware of this, we've actually built a levee right around the Loxton Historical Village to save the historical village. I'm really glad they've done that. We'll drive down the road a bit more now and we'll check out the caravan park. Now I know that's underwater. This is another closed road at Loxton. This road here leads down towards the front of the caravan park. Probably about 200 metres down is the riverfront. Now that's still completely blocked off by water, but the water has receded by about 3 metres here. So it is slowly going down. The peak's past here, so they're on the right track.
Wanna be the person that you call up when you're down. Wanna be the first who knows all of your deepest secrets. Can I be the one who wakes you up before you missed your ride? 'Cause I wanna be close to you, and I wanna show you something new. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I
come about 10 kilometres west from Loxton now. We're at an old boat ramp that I used to come to. Now, the reason I come to this spot here across the river is Catarapco National Park, and about 100 metres that way down the river is the entrance to Catarapco Creek. Now, for those that follow my channel, you know that Catarapco Creek and Catarapco National Park is my favourite campsites to go to in the whole Riverland. Absolutely stunning campsites. Take the drone up now. I want to show you what's left of Catarapco National Park.
Gonna try to keep the pace, but someday we will find that the world has changed, but we stay true to each other. I will always be there for you whenever you need my help. I'm taking my time to be your rock. I don't ever wanna be apart. You gotta know, every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. That's the flying colors now.
We've come as far as we can go west of Loxton now. The water is over the road here. You can see the water marker there. It's probably about 60 centimetres deep still. Even after the peak has passed here, it's dropped about 4 metres wide. So, but it's still over the road. This is just incredible. I'm gonna keep following these floods along. Probably next time I'll do Waikery. Next weekend I've got to be at the Loveday 4x4. I'm doing a social meet there. So anyone in Adelaide, come down, support our Riverland businesses. They're all struggling at the moment, especially Loveday 4x4. All their campsites are flooded, so they're all going to spend some money there and support a local business. I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. If you have, like the video, please, or share it. That would even help even more. Any comments about any of the places I've been today, leave a comment, happy to answer. But thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers!